What's happening, guys? What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, hosted by the one and only the Forest God, the Forest King. It's Luke, your mentor. So as you can see by the title of this video, we'll be breaking down a trade setup that we actually anticipated on UK100 GBP, but the trade is still running. So guys, I just want to drop this video for you guys. I don't usually drop indices, but today I'm feeling a bit special, so I just want to drop as much value as I possibly can, guys. So grab your notepad, grab your pen, and take down notes. I definitely will be emphasizing certain key points that I think you guys should actually pay attention to and keep in mind. But before we get into the video, do hit that like and subscribe button, as you get notified when I drop banger videos like this, because that's the only thing we'll be dropping in this channel. So let's get into the video. So guys, looking at my weekly time frame, right, as you can see that let me just switch this off. So as you can see that on my weekly time frame, we are in a bullish trend. We are creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, and we could potentially be headed towards the upside, right? So overall, my weekly, I'm in an overall uptrend. Not only that, I drew this weekly trend line, and the story in this weekly trend line that every single time price touches this trend line, it did what? It pushed up, it pushed up, it pushed up. Let me delete the second trend line because it's really cluttery my chart. But as you can see, we are currently sitting at this particular trend line. Market came to this trend line, printed out a bullish engulfing pattern, and as you can see, the market is projected towards the outside. So my overall first projection level is that the market potentially comes to this area. Once it actually prints out an impulsive break, then the market potentially come back, retest, and then continue. Not only that, guys, I do not know if you actually saw that bar pattern, but the market literally tends to repeat itself, right? So where I actually found this was from this point. As you can see, this is literally identical, and what I've seen from my experience of trading is that the market literally tends to repeat itself. So this is what I do anticipate. As you can see, this is literally nearly identical. It's like the market did this. So I do anticipate the market could potentially come to this monthly foundation. And yeah, so basically I'm still in a bullish market on my weekly. Let me just delete, or at least hide this for now. So hide. So on my daily time frame, guys, on my daily structure, as you can see, the story in this particular red daily trend line is that every single time price actually comes to this trend line, it pushes down, it pushes down, it pushes down. That's something to be mindful of. Not only that, we literally had an ascending or descending triangle, and I do anticipate that something at least of this nature could potentially happen. So this is what we have right there in a strong level of support. So I do anticipate the market potentially do something of this particular nature. So not only that, guys, as you can see, we have quite substantial amounts of bullish patterns, candlestick, where he literally found a level of support at this area. Market came back, creating a higher high and a high low, and had a lot of sellers exhaustion. As you can see, the market potentially push up. Now looking at my H4 time frame, guys, on my H4 time frame, we initially were in this overall downward trend. As you can see, we had this impulsive low right leg correction continuation. That's when I drew a trend line right from this particular low, right? It was supposed to be at least to this area right there, and what I was anticipating was, that's when I drew this fib after I seen a break of this lower high, creating a high. So I was anticipating the market to at least come to my negative 27 projection level. As you can see, this is my phantom zone. So a phantom zone is there to signify my overall target, guys. So I'm in an overall buy right on my H4 time frame as well. So on my weekly, I'm in a buy. Daily, I'm in a buy. H4, I'm in a buy. So on my H1 time frame, guys, this was my overall structure. I know, guys, I know that there's a lot that's happening or going on here, but stick with me, guys, and I promise you'll understand every single thing in this chart, and you'll be able, man, to take trades like I do. So as you can see, we had an initial lower high at this point. So initial lower high, a low mark, then broke this lower high, creating a high low. And then that's when, guys, I drew this fib again, guys. In the way I trade, I always use fib. So this is my point A, point B, and I was overall targeting this negative 27%, right? So once the market actually somewhat hit my negative 20% level, market then it pulled back, and as you can see, the market's now sort of like been creating low lows and low highs. So today, guys, what I was analyzing, let me just delete your, guys, I know my chart is just messy. It's really messy, guys. Let me just delete this, right? So what I was actually anticipating was after the market had actually printed out this I think this fib, right? So we had this impulse right here, this correction, this continuation. That's when I drew this purple line, trend line. And on Friday, guys, I was anticipating this. So I hope you know by now that when I use this phantom zone, that's sort of like my projection. So on Friday, I was anticipating the market to push up, right? So we had this impulsive leg correction continuation. Market came back. I anticipated the market at least to come to this area once again before it continues selling. Market came to this trend line and retested the backside of this trend line. And as you can see now, the market potentially pushed back down. So on my 30-minute time frame, guys, /H1, I do anticipate the market potentially come at least to this negative 27 projection level, right? So today, guys, when I was actually analyzing this, right, the market, we had this pennant triangle, and I'd seen that this, again, the story in this particular trend line is that every single time prices trend line pushes down, it pushes down, pushes down, push down. So in the market, and then that's when I drew this downwards, this trend line as well. And once the market actually broke this previous market structure, right, or at least this previous market structure, creating lower lows, that's when I drew this fib from my point A to my point B, and I was sort of like anticipating for the market to at least either come to this particular level first and then to this negative 1.8 projection level. And so on my UK100 GBP pair or indice, I do anticipate the market potentially sell for the next 2 to 3 days. And so, guys, we've definitely reached the end of this video. Again, do hit that like and subscribe button as you get notified when I upload videos like this, and stay tuned, guys, because we definitely will be releasing banger videos in this channel. Without further wasting any of your time, guys, peace out.
Do it! Just do it! So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!